guys. Show you that company is. So this is the skirt. It's a faux leather, very soft and very stretchy. For fit of the day, this is my vintage blouse. I wore that singlet thing inside for my hand because it's quite cold. And my faux leather pants in black. You like this? Okay, the skirt. Back to business. Okay. Jesus. Oh my God, I almost killed myself. Oh, darling. Okay. Whew. I'm still alive, guys. Okay, this is the skirt. So if I put it on, it's gonna be way too long. Even if I put it on here, it's still too long. But this is how I'm wearing it today. Yeah. I'm gonna wear it this way. Let me try it on. This is how she's wearing it. So I will let you guys see when I'm. So this is how I'm gonna wear it today. Because it's too long, I'll still take it to my tailor to shop you. But for now, I'm gonna wear it as a dress. Why not? I'm gonna wear it as a strapless. All your dreams, and even way and above your dreams, as a strapless dress, because it's way too. Even at this point, it's still long. Yeah, although it's one extra large, but I think it's for 12 people. So I'm gonna just. I think it's better to wear it as a strapless dress. Yeah, I like it this way actually. Yeah, so it has a pocket. Yeah, that's how it's. Vielen Dank. Thank you. Tschüss, bis bald.